guys, it's Eka. Today's workout is an abdominal workout which you can incorporate into your workout routine for the day. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Alright, we're going to get started on our backs here. We're just going to do some basic crunches. So you're just going to curl up here and come back down. So we'll do 30 crunches to begin with. You can go faster. Keep your elbows wide, okay? You're squeezing that belly down, exhaling, coming up. Keep looking forward to your knees, not looking up, because you don't want to strain your neck with that position. So you don't want to pull your neck as well. Your hands are there just for assistance, okay? Let's do 10 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. You're going to bring your legs in tabletop. You're going to do single leg stretch. You want to make sure your back is nice and flat on this one. You're lifting from the chest. Last 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. Arms here. Alternate reach and come back. 2, 3, you got this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold. Lift both legs up into your scissors. One leg at a time. You can keep your head down, or you can keep it up. Ooh, feeling the burn. Now we hold one leg and then reach and come back. Straight legs as much as you can. You're rotating from the upper body, not your elbows. Reach your shoulders to the knee. So that's what you're aiming for. We're not reaching with the elbows. Chest to knee. Think about chest to knee. Good. Get that burn going. Don't stop. Last 5. 4. So the slower it is, the more difficult. 3, 2, and 1. Nice one. All right, let's go into our back on our all fours. So in this all four position, I need you to not drop your shoulders down. I need you to think about lift your upper back, okay? Your stomach is engaged. You're gonna lift. Right arm and then come down. Ready with the left leg as well. Lift. Feel the length from your fingertips to your toes in the back. Lift it up, tap down. Okay? Lift and tap. Lift and tap. 4. This is slow and control. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold. We're gonna pulse up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We hold. Stretch in length for 3, 2, 1. Other side. You're just gonna lift left arm, right leg up. Don't let your stomach go down. Don't let it collapse. You're still in that long line, okay? Lift and tap down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're really trying to balance, not falling in one side or the other. Last 3, 2, feel that length pointed away. Point. Reach your fingertips out. Last one, we hold and pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold, reach, lengthen, and recover into a child's pose. All right, we're gonna target our obliques here, so all the way down to the side. You're gonna extend that leg into on your knees, okay? So you're not hips back, you're bring that hips forward, okay? So from here, feel the length, hands here to the side. You're gonna tip down to the side. Whichever so your leg, you're going away from your leg, okay? So we'll do 10 from this side, 10. So you wanna think about lengthen up. Lengthen through the spine here, chest is wide, shoulders are down, okay? You want a beautiful posture for this, because this also works your form a lot. Reach as far as you can. 5. Keep your feet flat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now extend your arms. Tap your hands down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You want to lengthen through the spine. You don't want to slouch for this one, okay? Keep your hips engaged forward towards me. 9, 10. We hold here and lift, pulse up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Reach your hands down to the floor and stretch it out. Ooh, feel a nice little stretch here to the side. All right, let's do the other side. Extend your leg out, hands here. Bring it down and come back. 2, 3. We have this similar exercise on the reformer, but I understand not everybody has a reformer, so I'm trying to make sure that everyone can participate in the workouts. 8, 2 more, 9, squeeze your leg forward, 10. Now bring it down, tap, and come back, long. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, feel your obliques, 7, 8, 9, 10, hold, pulse it up to the ceiling, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, hold it, 3, 2, 1, hands down, and enjoy that stretch. You see, we have a nice little stretch after that one. Woo. All right, we're back into your lower back. We're gonna go into your stomach. So I need you to think about really lifting high. Think about bringing that shoulders behind you. Sink them down. I need you to think about lifting up. Everything is going up, okay? 2, just 10, 3, nice and slow. 4, slow it down, okay? Because you don't want to do this fast, because you want to milk the movement. This is adding to your routine, so you're probably already a little tired, but that's okay. Push through it, yeah? We're almost done. 3, 2, 1. We're holding here and extend your arms out to the side. 1, and pull something towards you. 3, hold that legs up, squeeze your glutes. 4, keep looking down, don't let your neck go up too much. 5, pull towards you. 6, 7, exercises and we are done with your ab workout. So you're gonna extend everything. This is a really nice stretch. Lift it up. You're gonna bring your leg towards you and come back down. 2, if you wanna up a notch, watch. Come up fully. Okay, go with me. Let's do this one. 2, 3, 4, squeeze that belly tight. 5, this is no rush. 6, 7, 8, 9, last one here, and 10. Good, all the way back down. Ooh, that's a nice stretch for your abdominals. All right, from here, you're gonna cross your legs over. You're gonna bring those knees towards you. You see? Think about lifting your tailbone up to the ceiling. 3. Let's do 15 times. This is last one. Lift it up nice and high. You can uncross and switch to the other side because you want to be balanced. Lift that tailbone up nice and high. Whew. All right, that's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. I like to finish off with a nice little cobra stretch for your abdominals. Whew. Stretch side to side. Keep your shoulders down, okay? Don't let that shoulders go up to your ears unless it's needed in the workout. All right. I hope you like this workout. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.